Introduction. Australia is a country comprising the mainland of the Australian continent, the island of Tasmania, and numerous smaller islands. It is the world's sixth largest country by total area. The neighbouring countries are Papua New Guinea, Indonesia and East Timor to the north, the Solomon Islands and Vanuatu to the northeast, and New Zealand to the southeast. Australia's capital is Canberra and its largest urban area is Sydney. For about 50,000 years before the first British settlement in the late 18th century, Australia was inhabited by indigenous Australians who spoke languages classifiable into roughly 250 groups. After the European discovery of the continent by Dutch explorers in 1606, Australia's eastern half was claimed by Great Britain in 1770 and initially settled through penal transportation to the colony of New South Wales from 26 January 1788. The population grew steadily in subsequent decades, and by 1850s, most of the continent had been explored and an additional 5 self-governing crown colonies established. On 1st January 1901, the 6 colonies federated, forming the Commonwealth of Australia. Location. The smallest continent, Australia, lies completely in the southern and eastern hemispheres. Lying between the latitudes 9 degrees south and 44 degrees south and longitudes 112 degree east and 154 degree east, Australia is the 6th largest country in the world. It has an area of about 7,69,02,024 square kilometers. Boundaries. Australia is surrounded by the Pacific Ocean to its east and Indian Ocean to its west and southwest. The continent is bordered by Timor Sea and Arafura Sea in the north, Coral Sea towards northeast, and Tasman Sea to its southeast. The continent of Australia is divided into 2 parts by the Tropic of Capricorn, 23.5 degrees south, a larger northern and smaller southern part. Australia, along with New Zealand and other adjoining islands, is known as Australasia. The island country of Australia with Canberra at its capital